Hi guys, and welcome to Megnovo. We've compiled a list of some amazing furniture creations you can find in the market, from a weightless chair to a walking table. Here are 10 ingenious furniture inventions that will take your home to another level. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future updates. ELYSIUM, a chair that neutralizes gravity. ELYSIUM is an ergonomically advanced chair created by a British inventor and furniture designer, Dr. David Wickett, focusing on biomechanical sensory systems to stimulate gravity. The designer pursued a PhD in bioengineering, and during his 10 years research wrote up an equation defining posture under gravitational forces, which became the core pillar of the chair. According to David, there's a spot between lying down and sitting up when your body passes through zero gravity. Your weight is evenly distributed, resulting in a sensory attenuation, which is the principle of floating therapy. The patented frictionless technology allows controlling reclining position with only a hand gesture. No wonder this out-of-the-world chair is priced at $26,000. SPYNDI. SPYNDI is an innovation inspired by the human spine. It comes with a unique set of 61 handcrafted wooden pieces that can be easily assembled into unlimited variations for both indoor and outdoor furniture. You can either use your imagination or preset variations to transform SPYNDI into different shapes and forms. Created by skilled craftsmen from more than 1,200 small wooden segments, the high-quality finish is beautifully smooth to touch. The SPYNDI Original weighs 40 kilos and is stress-resistant for any configuration. The Emperor chair. The Emperor is the future of high-end home and office computer work environments. It is a luxury workstation built in Canada with industrial-grade components. The Emperor is a comfortable and aesthetically unique environment for people who spend many hours in front of their computer screen. It has the signature Emperor Scorpion shape, multiple floating screens, an industrial-grade steel structure, tilting capabilities, LED lighting, and much more. The Emperor chair starts at $5,000 and changes with your customization. The ATARI PONG table, inspired by the classic ATARI game. The PONG table does not have a screen or digital software. The game is recreated with motors, rails, pulleys, and magnets. The ball and the paddles are all controlled by magnets underneath. Hide the control panels by closing the side covers and enjoy a nice retro coffee table. Want to charge your phone? No worries. Just use one of the 6 USB ports installed on the table. It's equipped with a digital clock that gently lights up the room. It also has a Bluetooth speaker, so you can enjoy your favorite songs while playing the game. Its price is $3,600. The walking table. You heard me right. It's a table that can literally walk. Designed by the Dutch designer Wouter Schublin. The walking table is a carefully crafted piece of furniture that shows the beauty of mechanics. When pushed, The table comes to life and mimics a natural walking motion, baffling our perception of the static piece of furniture. The walking table uses complex mechanisms of cranks and linkages based on the work of Russian mathematician Pafnuty Chebyshev. It took Wouter 1 year to create his first walking table. You can find it in a joint studio by Schublin and Lindman. The wave cabinet. It is more than just an ordinary piece of furniture. It is a form of art created by Sebastian Arazuris. He took the most boring piece of furniture and reinvented it with beauty and delicacy. The wave cabinet is made from 100 slats of Baltic birch. Each individual slat pulls along the following, just like a paper fan. These slats can be pushed into any direction, letting you form different shapes. A canvas. A canvas is the world's most advanced art display on the market that can stream a rotating selection of curated artwork. Change the aura of your room with only the touch of a button. The Canvas app provides one-of-a-kind art station with a wide variety of artwork to choose from. A canvas can also be used to display your own personal images as well. To give it a more personalized feel, you can customize the art frames to match your home decor. It automatically charges when it detects darkness via its ambient light sensor by releasing its charging dongle, which descends down into a charging station. Its price is $500. SOBORO side table. SOBORO side table is not an ordinary lamp holder, but is equipped with smart technology that can simplify your life. It incorporates multiple features, like a wireless charging pad built in at the top of the side table for 2 phones, along with USB ports and power outlets, making sure your devices are powered up. A quiet thermoelectric cooler drawer to keep your drinks chilled and always at hand. Built-in Bluetooth stereo speakers which work like a home theater system, so you can experience the rich sounds of your favorite tunes and shows. Multicolored LED lights to create the perfect mood. The SOBORO also has a LED light bar on the front of the table which is motion activated. Currently available in 4 colors at a price of $1,300. Planet Chair. It is a personal pod chair designed to provide you with peace and tranquility in a busy environment. Inspired by the 1960s Lee West Stereo Alpha Egg Chair, this innovative solution is perfect for co-working and open spaces, offering an escape from all the hustle and bustle. The Planet Chair brings together minimalism and comfort in an eye-catching and clever design. It comes with an ergonomic mattress and padded interior for comfort, as well as many additional conveniences such as LED lamp, a storage pocket, USB charging, speaker system, and even solar panels. A true standalone workstation for work and leisure. The price for the Planet Chair is $2,900. Simple activities like reading a book, working on your laptop can be a challenging task. This is what the creators of this invention probably had in mind when they created BEDCHILL, an over-bed table which allows you to practically do anything from the comfort of your bed. BEDCHILL helps to support your laptop while maintaining a healthy posture. Eat and drink in bed with confidence and in comfort. The BEDCHILL has 4 casters which allow to easily glide on any floor type. It has 2 drawers for extra space, raised edges to prevent fall or spilling, 4 power outlets and 4 USB ports to keep your devices powered up, 2 integrated LED lights which are remote controlled to work as a night light, Bluetooth speakers, retractable port which reacts inside the leg. Thanks to BEDCHILL, you will never have to leave your bed